Want this lobby edit? Make this by applying simple steps. Let me show you how we made it. Open CapCut, import your video, apply adjustment layer, sharpen 50, shadow 40. Now go to filters. Jazz 80. Add your music and beats where you want to zoom. See how I am doing.
Duniya Da Gham Gham, Duniya Da Gham Gham, Duniya Da Gham, Duniya Da Gham.
Now I'd split on all beats. See how I am adding splits. Now add animation on all parts. Select zoom 1. Add on all parts. Now video effects. Retro. Select nostalgic light filter. Apply on complete video. Adjust it. Intensity 40, filter O range 40. Effects retro. Select jitter effect. Now decrease it like thighs, watch carefully. Make copies of it and place it before split. After this, select Party Effect Stroke Filter. Throb adjustment low 25, intensity 40, range 25, filter 0. Now decrease throb like me. Now place it where video is zooming in. Make copies of it too. This will increase style glow when video zoom in.